There's a Tiger right here. Look at it. That's nice. That old Murray runs good too. I know one of y'all boys got one like that one. Yeah, anyway, here it is. 50-yard dash. So I'm going to take this here, 25, and I'm going to make it, I guess I mean 25, 50, 75, 100. Maybe 6 of them. 6 lengths of this right here. I'm going to go mark it out. Okay, I'm going to do my run in this grass here because it'd be only fair since it is a yard dash, 50 yard. I'm going to start, this is the start line right there. So take my word for it. I'm going to run this 6 times, and this race has even pulleys, no adjusting to the pulleys, no adjusting to the governors, just flat out stock lawnmower race. Alright, on the interweb. If anybody else wants to challenge me, post a video up and with your time and everything, and no changing it. I want honesty here. We're going to, you know, we're going to see what happens. I'm going to measure it out. There's 125. There's the other 25. There's the third 25, making 75 feet. There's 100 feet. 2 more lengths. 1 more length. 1 more length right here. 1 more of these. Booyah! Alright, there's the finish line right there. Finish line. Alright, it's time to do this race. Let's get her done. Okay. Son of a bitch.